Hey everyone, welcome back to LangPod AI. I'm Alex, your English speaking co host and fellow Spanish learner.
Hola a todos, bienvenidos de nuevo. Soy Sofía.
And today we have a really great episode for you. We're talking about polite expressions in Spanish.
Sí, las expresiones de cortesía. So important, Alex.
Honestly, this might be the most useful episode we've done so far. Because if you know how to be polite in a language, people are so much more willing to help you out.
Exactamente. La cortesía abre muchas puertas.
I love that. Politeness opens many doors. Can you say that one more time, Sophia, nice and slow?
La cortesía abre muchas puertas.
Beautiful. All right, listeners, whether you're planning a trip to a Spanish speaking country or you just want to impress your Spanish speaking friends, today's phrases are going to be your best friends.
¿Estás listo, Alex? Are you ready?
Estoy listo. Let's jump in.
Muy bien, vamos a empezar.
Okay, so let's start with the absolute basics. The magic words, right? Please and thank you. Sophia, how do we say please in Spanish?
Por favor.
Por favor. Now, listeners, you probably already know this one, but let's make sure we're saying it right. It's two words. Por, like the English word pour, and favor, which sounds almost like the English word favor.
Sí, muy bien. Por favor. And you can put it at the beginning or the end of a sentence.
Nice, so it's flexible. Can you give us an example with it at the end?
Un café, por favor.
Un café, por favor. See, you're already ordering coffee in Spanish, and at the beginning,
Por favor, ¿puede repetir?
oh, that's a super useful one. Please, can you repeat? I have a feeling I'll be using that a lot. Let me try. Por favor, puede repetir?
Almost. Remember the question mark sound? ¿Puede repetir? Your voice goes up at the end.
Right, right. Puede repetir like that?
Perfecto.
Okay, now the other magic word, thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias, another one most people know. But here's a pronunciation tip for our listeners. The CIAS at the end sounds like cias. Gracias, not gracias.
Sí, exacto. Gracias. And if you want to say thank you very much,
Oh, I know this one. Muchas gracias.
muy bien, Alex. Muchas gracias. Muchas means many, so it's like saying many thanks.
Many thanks. That's easy to remember because it maps so directly. And what about you're welcome? How do we respond when someone says gracias?
De nada.
De nada. Now, this one I love because it literally translates to of nothing, right?
Sí, de nada. It's like saying it's nothing. Don't worry about it.
That's so friendly. Okay, let me do a quick exchange. If I say gracias, you say,
De nada.
and if I say muchas gracias,
De nada. It works for both.
perfect. All right, so we've got por favor, gracias, muchas gracias, and de nada. 4 phrases, and you're already more polite than I am in English. Now let's move on to something really important. Excuse me.
Así. This one is interesting because in Spanish, we have different ways to say it depending on the situation.
Oh, okay, tell us more.
If you want to get someone's attention or you're trying to pass by someone on the street, you say, disculpe.
Disculpe, can you break that down for us?
Disculpe. 3 syllables. Disculpe.
Disculpe. And when would I use this one?
Imagine you're in a market in Mexico City and you want to ask a vendor a question. You say, disculpe, ¿cuánto cuesta?
Disculpe, ¿cuánto cuesta? Excuse me, how much does it cost? Great for shopping. Now you said there are different ways?
See, if you accidentally bump into someone or you need to apologize for something small, you can say, perdón.
Pardon. That sounds a lot like the English word pardon.
Exactly. Same idea. Perdón. It's like sorry or pardon me.
So disculpe is more like excuse me to get attention, and pardon is more like oops, sorry. Is that right?
Sí, perfecto. You've got it.
Awesome. Let me try a scenario. I'm walking through a crowded market and I accidentally step on someone's foot. I'd say,
Go ahead, Alex.
oh, perdón, lo siento.
Oye, muy bien. You just used a new phrase. Lo siento.
Ha, I've been practicing. Lo siento means I'm sorry, right?
Sí, lo siento. It literally means I feel it. Like, I feel your pain.
That's actually beautiful. I feel it. Lo siento. So this is for a more heartfelt apology?
It can be heartfelt, but we also use it for everyday apologies. It's very common. Lo siento. Llegué tarde.
I'm sorry I arrived late. That's a phrase I definitely need because I'm always late. Listeners, here's a quick memory tip. Lo siento I feel it. Think of it like your heart is sorry. That'll help it stick.
Me gusta eso. I like that tip.
Okay, so now let's talk about greetings. We covered hola in our last episode, but what about more polite greetings?
Great question. If you want to be more polite than just hola, you can say buenos dias. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Good morning. And I know there are different ones for different times of day, right?
Sí. For the afternoon, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. And evening?
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. Now I notice something interesting. Buenos dias uses buenos, but the other two use buenas. What's going on there?
Ah, good ear, Alex. It's because of gender in Spanish. Dia is masculine, so it's buenos. Tarde and noche are feminine, so it's buenas.
Right, the gender agreement. Don't worry, listeners, we'll do a whole episode on that. For now, just remember buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches.
And a little trick. If you're not sure what time of day it is, you can just say buenas. People will understand.
Just buenas, that's it?
Buenas.
Buenas, I love that shortcut. Okay, now what about when you meet someone for the first time? How do we say nice to meet you?
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. Can you say it slowly?
Gusto.
Mucho gusto. Literally, that means much pleasure, right?
See, exactly. Much pleasure, or a great pleasure to meet you. It's very warm and polite.
And if someone says mucho gusto to me, what do I say back?
You can say igualmente.
Igualmente? That means likewise, or same here, right?
Sí, perfecto. Or you can also just say mucho gusto back.
Easy enough. Let me try the whole exchange. Hola, me llamo Alex. Mucho gusto.
Hola, Alex. Me llamo Sofía. Mucho gusto. ¿De dónde eres?
Soy de... Wait, we haven't learned that one yet. Where are you from? That's a good one for next time, though.
Haha, lo siento. I got ahead of myself. Pero tu español está mejorando.
Gracias, Sofia. Okay, let's keep going. I want to learn how to ask for things politely. Like, how do I say I would like instead of just I want?
Ah, this is a great one for being polite. Instead of quiero, which means I want, you can say me gustaría.
Me gustaría, I would like. That does sound much more polite than just saying I want.
Sí. For example, me gustaría un vaso de agua, por favor.
Me gustaría un vaso de agua, por favor. I would like a glass of water, please. Listeners, notice how she combined me gustaría with por favor? Double polite.
Exactly. The more polite, the better.
Now, there's also a simpler way to ask for things politely, right? Something with puede.
Sí. You can say, ¿puede ayudarme, por favor?
Puede ayudarme, por favor. Can you help me, please? Oh, that's essential for travelers.
Puede means can you, and ayudarme means help me. Puede ayudarme.
Let me try. If I'm lost in Madrid and I need help finding my hotel. Disculpe, ¿puede ayudarme, por favor?
Excelente, Alex. Sí, claro que sí. ¿En qué le puedo ayudar?
Okay, slow down. I heard claro, which means clear, right?
Sí. Claro que sí means of course, yes. It's a very common and friendly response.
Claro que sí. Of course. I love that. And listeners, when you hear Spanish speakers say claro, it's kind of like saying sure or of course. Very useful to recognize.
And here's another very polite phrase. Con permiso.
Con permiso. What's the difference between this and disculpe?
Con permiso is specifically when you need to pass by someone, or when you're leaving a group. It's like saying with your permission.
Oh, so if I'm at a dinner table and I need to step away, I'd say con permiso?
Exactamente. Con permiso. Very elegant.
Con permiso. I feel fancier already. Let me do a scenario. I'm squeezing through a crowded bus. Con permiso, gracias.
Haha. See, that's exactly how you'd use it. Perfect.
All right, what about compliments? That's a form of politeness too, right? How do I tell someone their food is delicious or their house is beautiful?
Oh, see. Compliments are wonderful for being polite. You can say, que amable.
Que amable, how kind. When would I use that?
When someone does something nice for you. Someone holds the door open. Que amable. Gracias.
Que amable, gracias. That's really nice. Any other polite compliment phrases?
See, if someone cooks for you and the food is delicious, you say, está delicioso.
Está delicioso. That one is easy because delicioso sounds like delicious.
See, many Spanish words are similar to English. We call them cognates.
Cognates are our friends, listeners. They make life easier. Okay, I want to learn one more really important polite phrase. How do I say I don't understand?
Ah, a very important one for learners. No entiendo.
No entiendo. I don't understand. I'm going to need that one a lot.
Haha, and you can make it more polite. Lo siento. No entiendo. ¿Puede hablar más despacio?
Whoa, that was a lot. Break it down for us.
Lo siento. I'm sorry. No entiendo. I don't understand. ¿Puede hablar? Can you speak? Más despacio? More slowly?
Lo siento, no entiendo. Puede hablar más despacio. Listeners, this is maybe the most important sentence you'll learn in this whole series. If you memorize one thing from today, make it this one.
Sí. And people will always appreciate that you're trying. They'll slow down and help you.
Let me try the whole thing. Lo siento, no entiendo. ¿Puede hablar más despacio, por favor?
Bravo, Alex. Your pronunciation is getting better every episode.
Gracias, Sofia. All right, before we head into our practice conversation, let's do one more. How do I say, have a nice day?
Que tenga un buen día.
Que tenga un buen día. Can you say it slowly?
Que tenga un buen día.
Que tenga un buen día. That's what you'd say to a stranger or someone in a store, right? Like a polite goodbye?
Sí, exacto. It's formal and very polite. With friends, you can say something simpler. Que te vaya bien.
Que te vaya bien. Like, may things go well for you?
See, it's warm and friendly. You'll hear it a lot.
Beautiful. Okay, listeners. I think we're ready for our practice conversation. We're going to role play a scene using all the polite phrases we just learned. I'm going to pretend I'm a tourist in a cafe, and Sophia is going to be the server. Ready, Sophia?
Lista, let's go.
Okay, here we go. I walk into the cafe. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. Bienvenido. ¿En qué le puedo ayudar?
Okay, listeners, she said bienvenido, which means welcome. And ¿en qué le puedo ayudar? How can I help you? Let me respond. Me gustaría un café, por favor.
Claro que sí. ¿Grande o pequeño?
She's asking grande o pequeño, big or small. Let me try. Grande, por favor.
Muy bien. ¿Algo más?
Algo más means anything else. I think I'll try to ask if they have pastries. Disculpe, ¿tiene pasteles?
Haha, close. We say pasteles for cakes, but for pastries, you can say pastelitos. Sí, tenemos pastelitos. ¿Le gustaría uno?
Pastelitos, not pasteles. Got it. Sí, me gustaría un pastelito, por favor.
Aquí tiene su café y su pastelito.
Muchas gracias. Qué amable.
De nada, buen provecho.
Buen provecho. That means enjoy your meal, right?
See, it's like bon appetit. We say it all the time.
Okay, now I'm going to pretend the coffee's amazing. Está delicioso. This is the best cafe in all of Spain.
Haha, gracias. Qué amable, señor.
Now I need to leave. Let me try the whole polite goodbye. Muchas gracias por todo.
Oh, per toto means for everything. Very nice, Alex.
Gracias. Que tenga un buen día.
Igualmente. Que te vaya bien. Vuelva pronto.
Vuelva pronto means come back soon. Gracias a Dios.
Adiós.
Haha, that was fun. Nice work, listeners. If you followed along with that, you just practiced a real conversation using polite Spanish. Let's take a quick breath and then do our recap.
See, great job, everyone.
Okay, recap time. Let's go through all the phrases we learned today. Sophia, hit us with number one.
Por favor.
Please, number two.
Gracias.
Thank you. And a stronger version?
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much. And when someone thanks you,
De nada.
you're welcome, or literally it's nothing. Next, how do we get someone's attention?
Disculpe.
Excuse me, and for a small apology like bumping into someone?
Perdón.
Pardon, and for a more heartfelt I'm sorry?
Lo siento.
I'm sorry, remember, it literally means I feel it. Next, nice to meet you.
Mucho gusto.
And the reply?
Igualmente.
Likewise. What about I would like, the polite way to ask for something?
Me gustaría.
And can you help me?
¿Puede ayudarme?
The polite way to pass by someone?
Con permiso.
And how kind?
Qué amable.
And our super important survival phrase, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you speak more slowly?
Lo siento, no entiendo. ¿Puede hablar más despacio?
That one is gold. And finally, how do we wish someone a nice day?
Que tenga un buen día.
Or the casual version?
Que te vaya bien.
That is a packed episode, listeners. We covered so many essential phrases today. Remember, you don't have to memorize them all at once. Pick 3 or 4 that you think you'll use the most and practice those first.
See. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. People love it when you try to speak their language.
That's so true. When I mess up, people are always so nice about it. They appreciate the effort.
Siempre, always.
Now, next episode, we're going to tackle numbers and counting. Super practical, super fun. You'll be able to count to 100, ask for prices, and give your phone number in Spanish.
Sí, los números son muy importantes. Numbers are very important for everyday life.
Can't wait for that one. All right, Sophia, take us out.
Muchas gracias por escuchar, amigos. Thank you so much for listening, friends.
Yes, thank you all for being here. Practice those polite phrases, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Que tengan un buen día. Adiós.
Que tengan un buen día. Adios, everyone.